Here is a most remarkable plant, commonly known as the sea grape. Its scientific name is Coccoloba Uvifera. This fascinating plant truly loves the coast. You will often find it growing along sandy beaches, thriving right near the ocean waves. It is a true resident of these coastal environments, standing strong and resilient against the constant sea breeze. What an extraordinary organism it is. The sea grape often presents itself as a large, sprawling bush, and sometimes it can grow into a small, sturdy tree. It spreads its branches quite wide, creating a dense canopy. This plant is incredibly tough and hardy. Life on the coast can indeed be harsh for many plants. There is the biting, salty spray from the sea, and the sun's rays are often very strong and direct. Yet, the sea grape endures these challenges and flourishes where many others cannot survive. This humble plant is incredibly important to its environment. It does so much more than just sit and grow. It actively shapes the shoreline where it lives, helping to protect the precious land from the sea. Many different kinds of creatures rely on it for survival. It is a fundamental part of its coastal ecosystem. Think of it as a silent, often unnoticed, guardian of the coast. Its very presence is a significant blessing to these areas. Let us now embark on a journey to explore this natural wonder. We will take a closer look at its unique leaves, discover the secrets of its distinctive fruit, and learn about its many hidden talents and uses. The sea grape has a great deal to show us if we only look. Our journey into its fascinating world begins right now. Prepare to be amazed by its simple beauty. This enchanting coastal plant holds many stories. The form of the sea grape tree is quite distinctive. It can appear as a dense, rounded shrub, hugging the ground, or it may grow taller into a small, spreading tree. These trees typically reach heights of up to 15 meters. Their branches often twist and turn in interesting ways, helping them withstand strong coastal winds. They are perfectly adapted to their breezy home, a very clever design by nature and a testament to survival. Now, let us examine the leaves. They are one of its most striking features. The leaves are large, almost circular, and feel leathery to the touch. When young, they often show a beautiful bronze color. As they mature, they turn a vibrant deep green. In cooler weather, a wonderful transformation occurs and the leaves can turn shades of red or even purplish. This adds a splash of color to the coastal scene. They are truly magnificent to behold. The bark of the sea grape is also noteworthy. It is generally smooth in texture, with a color usually a light gray, sometimes mottled with other shades. On older trees, something interesting can happen. The bark may occasionally peel off in patches, revealing fresh bark underneath, adding to its character. This shedding is a natural part of its growth. Each tree tells a story through its bark, a history etched in its skin. And what of the flowers? They are small but quite lovely, typically white or greenish-white. These tiny flowers are also pleasantly fragrant. They appear clustered together on long stalks called racemes, which can be up to 30 centimeters long. The flowers are very important for the plant's life cycle. They attract pollinators such as bees and other insects. These tiny blooms ensure the future of the sea grape. The sea grape earns its common name from its fruit. These fruits hang in long, pendulous clusters, which can grow quite large, resembling bunches of grapes. When they first appear, the fruits are green, but as they ripen, a wonderful change takes place. They slowly transform to a deep purple or reddish color, signaling that they are ready to be enjoyed, a beautiful sight hanging from the branches. Let us consider a single sea grape fruit. It is usually about 2 centimeters in diameter, with thin skin covering a fleshy pulp. Inside there is a single, relatively large seed. The taste of the ripe fruit is quite unique. It is often tart with a hint of sweetness. Some describe it as slightly acidic and refreshing. The texture of the flesh is juicy when perfectly ripe, a true taste of the wild coast. These fruits are indeed edible and quite popular. Many people enjoy eating them raw, picked straight from the tree. This is a simple pleasure for those living near the coast. Beyond fresh consumption, they have other culinary uses. Sea grapes are excellent for making jellies and jams. Their natural tartness lends itself well to preserves. Some even use them to make a distinctive type of wine or vinegar, a versatile fruit from a hardy plant. In the Caribbean islands, the sea grape holds a special place. It has long been a part of traditional cuisine. The fruit is a cherished seasonal treat for many communities. Local people have known its value for generations. They gather the ripe fruits with great enthusiasm. These traditions connect people to their natural surroundings. The sea grape is more than just food, it is part of their heritage, a sweet gift from the shoreline. The sea grape plays a vital ecological role. It is crucial in preventing coastal erosion. Its extensive root system spreads through the sand, helping to bind the sand particles together. This action stabilizes sand dunes and shorelines, acting as a natural barrier against wind and waves. Without plants like the sea grape, coasts would be far more vulnerable. It truly is a protector of the land, a service of immense value. This remarkable plant also provides essential habitat. It offers shelter and food for a variety of wildlife. Many species of birds nest in its dense branches and feast on its ripe fruits. Small mammals and reptiles find refuge beneath its canopy. Numerous insects are attracted to its flowers and leaves. The sea grape supports a complex web of life. It is a bustling hub of activity in the coastal ecosystem. Its generosity benefits many. Beyond its ecological contributions, the sea grape has cultural significance. Its constant presence is woven into the fabric of coastal communities. It features in local folklore and stories. Furthermore, it has a history in folk medicine. Different parts of the plant have been used traditionally to treat various ailments. These practices have been passed down through generations. It is a plant respected for its many gifts. In conclusion, the sea grape is truly enchanting. It is a resilient coastal stabilizer, protecting our shores. It is a source of food and shelter for wildlife, and holds cultural importance for many people. From its tough leaves to its sweet tart fruit, it is a marvel. This plant demonstrates the beauty and ingenuity of nature. The sea grape, Coccoloba Uvifera, is a treasure of the coastline, a remarkable species indeed. We must cherish and protect it.